I really honestly believe that art is the glue of any community. Art is so integral to building a place that people want to work and live and be. I mean, art makes life interesting. Today, we're having a block party celebrating arts and culture and community because we were awarded an NEA grant to help support this community along the art line. And we're really excited because an NEA Our Town grant is a pretty difficult and competitive grant to get. And it really means that there's strong investment in this community to develop the arts and cultural identity of the Colfax and 40 West community.
The City of Lakewood and 40 West Arts and the National Endowment for the Arts really understand the ways that public art and placemaking elements are critical to local economic activity. Businesses want to be located in areas that feel vibrant and colorful and creative, and that's also true for how patrons want to shop and where they want to explore and play. And this commercial corridor that has been historic and really seen its ups and downs in terms of economic activity. And what this artwork will do is it will give a physical representation of the evolution of the area, the evolution of the arts district, and show folks you can really traverse this corridor and see something creative, see something beautiful, and then be led from light rail down to one of Lakewood's key economic and commercial corridors, Colfax Avenue, and the heart of the arts district.
I am a resident of Lakewood since I was 5 years old, so it's always been very exciting to create something within my own community. When I heard that they got the grant, we were actually doing an art show over at Mint and Serif, which is also a local coffee shop. And then 40 West Arts asked if they could collaborate with us. So this is our first paid grant through it to support them on a larger scale. Our mission as Mosaic Society of Art is artists rising together. We know we have such a large community, so having an opportunity to bring everybody into one spot, it was just really exciting. In a world where, everything is kind of in array and frustrating right now, it's more important than ever to really bring our communities together and show how much we can shine in a world of social media and robots. It's so important for us to be present.
All of this is really intended to show what the future of this corridor could become and the ways that the arts really play such a huge role in healthy, connected neighborhoods, human vitality, and local economic movements.
Art, placemaking, and cultural identity is what makes it fun to be. It really matters to the people who live and work here. Everybody who participates here loves this place so much. Being able to support the community that loves Lakewood, that loves this place, this 40 West community, matters a lot because we need artists to keep it vibrant and interesting.